Thought that I should call you up. Didn't want to interrupt. Know you got someone new, and he's helping you get over us. I can't see you in another dream. We were 17, then the grapevine halfway. I can't lose, not enough sleep. So can we be on the 26th highway? Cause I need one more cup before we say goodbye. 2 more seconds of your precious time. Just 3 words, can you swallow your pride? Tell me that you love me, tell me that you love me. One more cup before the truth it hits. One last life before we call it quits. Just 3 words, can you swallow your pride? Tell me that you love me, tell me that you love me. One last time, one last time, one last time. Tell me that you love me, tell me that you love me. I know I've been selfish, but I need your eyes on me. Because if I see you about to cry, then I'll be fine getting over us. I can't see you in another dream. Leaving Tennessee, driving 90 to see your face.